Namaskar. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the Hyderabad Polo and Riding Club. Welcome to the HPRC International Arena Polo Championship 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, our first polo match this evening is about to start. The International Ladies Exhibition Polo match. It's going to be played between two teams named Radha TMT Rockets in front of you in pink shirts and Divya Shakti Eagles in front of you in white shirts. You can see all players can line up for the introduction once ready. We'd like to formally introduce each player. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the players are all set for their formal introduction. I'd first like to introduce to you the players in the white shirts. Divya Shakti Eagles team, the youngest player in the team, coming all the way from Germany. Please give a round of applause to welcome Mona Shaf. Coming from sunny California, we have Liliana Gonzalez. And coming from the land which produces the best chocolates in the world, please welcome Florine Meher from Belgium. And now we'd like to introduce you to the players lining up for the Radha TMT Rockets team in pink shirts. The most experienced player in this lineup, Miss Clotilde Ludolf from Luxembourg. Also coming from sunny California, one of the strongest lady players in action in this championship, Danny Story. And please welcome the only lady polo player in this championship from Bharatma, Monica Saxena. Ladies and gentlemen, the match official in the center of that lineup is the match umpire, Miss Robin Sanchez. She's the chairperson of the Arena Polo Committee of the Federation of International Polo and also the chairperson of the Arena Polo Committee of the US Polo Association. May I request teams to please come closer for the ball throw-in. On behalf of all the spectators, I'd like to request our honorable chief guest, Dr. Akoijam Sonibala Devi, Vice Chairperson and Managing Director of the Sports Authority of Telangana. Ma'am, if you could please throw in the ball to commence the International Ladies Exhibition Polo match. Ball in play. The game is on. This is Clotilde. Clotilde Ludolf has picked up the ball for Radha TMT Rockets. The ball gets left behind. Now it is Mona Shaf getting a tap. Danny picks up the ball. Danny Story. Danny playing at number 2 position for the Radha TMT team. She strikes the ball. Mona right behind her. Danny's got a chance. He taps the ball. It's right in front of the goal mouth and clearance. Clearance coming. The ball taps and it is Clotilde. Clotilde who scored the first goal of the International Ladies Exhibition Polo match. And now we have Divya Shakti, Liliana Gonzalez. Florine Meher on the ball. Monica strikes, clears the ball from the danger zone. Danny picks up, Monica back on the ball. And it is Liliana Gonzalez hooked by Monica. The ball gets left behind. Danny trying to clear the ball. It's right in front. Mona Shaf. And Mona scores, and that is the equalizer. Danny strikes, gives a nice pass. It's Monica now in attack for Radha TMT Rockets. The ball right in front, but going slightly wide to the left. And the ball has now been picked up by Mona Shaf. Mona for Divya Shakti Eagles strikes the ball. It's coming right in front of the grandstand. Mona is a professional, full-time polo player, the only professional lady player in this championship. We now have Florine Meher from Belgium passes the ball to Liliana Gonzalez. And Danny picks up the ball. Danny strikes. Mona stopping the ball. And now we have Liliana with a backhander. Once again, Mona picks up the ball. Mona right in front of the goal mouth strikes the ball. Deflecting off and clearance coming from Danny. Danny strikes the ball, goes out of the field. That's going to be a throw-in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the score line reads 1 goal each. The scoreboard is still sleeping. It's going to wake up in a short while from now. देखा स्कोरबोर्ड का नाम लेते ही लाल हो गया. क्या कमाल हो गया भाई. यहां पे आए हुए सभी दर्शकों से निवेदन है कि जब भी मौका मिले जोरदार तालियां बजाइए. आपकी तालियों से प्लेयर्स का जोश बढ़ जाता है और घोड़ों की रफ्तार भी बढ़ जाती है. प्ले कॉल स्पॉट हिट फॉर दिव्य शक्ति ईगल्स एंड इट इज मोना शाफ. देखा क्या फर्क पड़ गया. मोना शाफ टैप्स एंड बॉल हैज बीन स्ट्रक एंड क्लियर्ड. Whistle there by the umpire. All right. All spectators are kindly requested to pay attention because I'm going to mention something very, very important. The rules of polo. Okay? So I'm sure you must be wondering what caused a foul. Well, to simplify this for you, any situation that leads to danger, any situation that compromises safety will be declared a foul by the umpire. That's the simplest way to understand the dynamics of this game. We now have a penalty from the 15-yard mark. It's an undefended goal mouth. And let's see who's going to strike the ball. It's looking like our sunny Californian Liliana Gonzalez getting ready. Up in the saddle, strikes. Oh, what a cracking shot by Liliana. 2-1, Divya Shakti Eagles in the lead. And now we have Danny Story. Danny picks up the ball. What a nice long shot by Danny. There's a chance here. Monica overrides and Liliana taps the ball. It's still in front. And once again the umpire sounds a whistle. So every time we see 2 or more players converging on the polo ball from different directions, that's going to lead to a foul. And now we have a 25-yard penalty. Liliana Gonzalez once again striking. It's a defended goal and the ball goes a little wide and Danny Story is there. Danny strikes. Clotilde moving up. Long hit by Danny. Clotilde approaching the ball. Monica is also there. Monica picks up the ball. She'll have to straighten the ball out towards goal mouth. Monica taps. Got a chance right in front of the goal mouth now. Right there and in front. Oh, the ball goes over. Missing out by a few inches. Liliana Gonzalez being marked there by Danny. Danny and Liliana, both from California. Liliana strikes the ball, takes a deflection. Danny picks up the ball once again on the backhander. Now this time it's Clotilde. Clotilde Ludov taps the ball, moves up. Mona Shaft. Mona hooked there by Monica. Clotilde once again taps right in front of the goal mouth. Rather TMT Rockets trying hard to score their equalizer. The ball still within striking distance. Monica strikes. Once again, the ball is right under the players. Mona Shaft taps the ball. Clotilde approaching. Liliana strikes. Liliana Gonzalez being marked. Monica on the ball now. Monica taps the ball backwards, changes direction, defending. Tough to keep the ball in control. In a sand arena, the ball sometimes goes into the sand. And look at that, Mona Shaft now. Hooked there by Danny. Mona right in front and taps. That is goal number 3. Goal number 3 for Divya Shakti. 3-1, Divya Shakti Eagles in the lead. It's a lofted shot by Danny and the ball. Well, Monica picks up the ball once again. Ball took a deflection from the wall of the arena. Backhander struck by Danny. A chance here for Radha TMT. Liliana once again. Liliana strikes the ball, gets it towards the chief guest, and here we have Mona Shaf. Mona strikes. Clotilde changes direction. Florin picks up the ball with the backhander. Florin being marked there by Clotilde. Monica strikes and clears the ball from the danger zone. It is Monica on the ball now. Hooked there. Danny strikes. It's a nice long shot chance here. Mona picks up the ball. Mona Shaf playing at number 2 for Divya Shakti Eagles. Mona Shaf now taps again. Look at the way she's leaning out of the saddle. Picks up the ball once again. Mona tapping and strikes. A chance here for Clotilde. She'll have to save it. Oh, you have a whistle. We had a pair of players approaching the polo ball. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. All right, looks like another 15-yard penalty, so yet another chance for Divya Shakti Eagles. A 15-yard penalty for Divya Shakti Eagles, and this time it's going to be Florin. Florin is walking towards the penalty spot. Taps, but the ball stops, and that is a spot hit now in favor of the defending team. Just about a minute and a half play left in this first chukker. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2-chukker match play call. Danny Story once again taking the hit for the defending team. What a strike by Danny. Once again she strikes. The ball goes wide. Monica approaching. It's tough. She'll have to turn the ball around. Decides to take the ball away from the opponent. The ball has been squeezed out by Mona Shaf once again. And Florin on the ball. Mona picks it up. Backhander from Clotilde. Another backhander, this time from Monica. Gentlemen, our second and final chukker of the International Ladies Exhibition Polo match is about to start. The players are all set. Spectators would be wondering if the players are playing the same horses. No, that never happens. In any polo match, a horse is played only for one chukker. And in every polo match, you'll be seeing the players changing over to different horses after each chukker. यहाँ पे आए हुए सभी दर्शकों का एक बार फिर हम स्वागत करते हैं, और खासकर जो स्टूडेंट्स आए हुए हैं, ग्रेस मॉडल स्कूल और नॉर्वेज हाई स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स। यार आपकी तालियों की जो वॉल्यूम है बड़ी अच्छी लगी। हम आपके सामने ही बैठे हैं, खड़े हैं। देखा दोस्तों, ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं। आप मुझसे दूर बैठे हो, लेकिन आप मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब हो। Ladies and gentlemen, it is always a delightful pleasure to have the presence of the future of India. All the students are future of our country. और देखो दोस्तों, अब इस मैच का दूसरा चक्कर शुरू होने वाला है। प्लेयर्स तैयार हैं। इस मैच की अंपायर है मिस रॉबिन सांचेज। All right, all set, ball in play. डैनी स्टोरी ने बॉल को पिकअप किया। अब टीम्स जो है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अटैक करेंगी। राधा टीएमटी रॉकेट्स Umpire Monica right in front. Clotilde strikes the ball right in front. Danny strikes and scores goal number 2. और अब की बार Danny's backhander. What a lovely chance here. But Mona Shah turns around sharply. Mona Shah picks up the ball for Divya Shakti Eagles, leading 4 goals to 2. Monica trying to back the ball, misses out. Mona Shah picks up the ball once again. And Clotilde on the ball now. Clotilde with a belly shot. Turns the ball across the horse. This is Liliana Gonzalez. Liliana strikes, is right in front of the goal. And Monica clears, defends for Radha Rockets. And a nice belly shot there by Clotilde once again. Mona Shah picks up the ball. Marked there by Danny. Big challenge going on between all the players. This is Mona Shah, picks up the ball for Divya Shakti Eagles once again. Mona taps. This is looking good. Number 5. Goal number 5 scored by Mona Shah. Danny strikes. Danny once again. Danny strikes for Radha TMT Rockets. Players overriding. Mona turns around. Danny approaching the ball. Backs the ball, chance here, the ball right next to Monica. Monica taps with a backhander, picks up the ball. And that is goal number 3. That was Monica versus Mona. And that was scored by Monica Saxena, goal number 3. And now we have once again Divya Shakti in attack, backhander by Danny. And now Monica on the ball. Monica turns the ball around. Mona Shah approaching the ball. Monica picks up the ball. Monica for Radha TMT. A nice backhander. She's turned the ball around. And now we have Liliana Gonzalez. Liliana Gonzalez tapping, turning the ball around. And the ball back by Mona Shah. Once again, Mona Shah picks up the ball. Mona Shah for Divya Shakti Eagles. Approaching the target, slowly tapping the ball. Mona Shah once again on the ball. Danny Story picks up the ball right in front of the goal mouth, clears it. Mona and Danny together, neck and neck. Clotilde approaches, Clotilde strikes. Chance here for Radha TMT Rockets. And Liliana tapping. Clotilde backs the ball. Quick turnaround was required, and now Mona Shah once again turns around. Mona is tapping. Mona versus Monica once again. Mona with a backhander. Another one. Good second strike by Mona Shah and Clotilde. Clotilde tries for a cut shot, doesn't get too much of distance on it. Liliana strikes. It's a massive strike by Liliana. Liliana now being marked by Monica. Monica clears the ball. Monica and Mona once again together. Clotilde now on the ball. Clotilde with a lovely pass. Danny picks up the ball. Monica taps. Clotilde right in front of the goal. Oh, what a clever stick work there by Mona Shah. Mona strikes. Look at the galloping strike by Mona Shah right in front of the goal mouth, but she misses the target. And Clotilde strikes and saves the ball from the danger zone. Radha TMT still trailing by 2-goal margin. Clotilde Ludov once again. Overriding the ball, gets left behind. Monica strikes. So it's a penalty now. Penalty in favor of Radha TMT Rockets. Okay, because we have so many lovely students sitting here, so let me ask you a quick question. बहुत serious question है. In a polo match, what happens when the umpire sounds the whistle? I'll give you the answer. Let's look at this penalty strike. Danny strikes. Oh, the ball just missing out a little. And now Liliana Gonzalez picks up the ball. Liliana. Just about 1.5 minutes left in this. Danny Story strikes once again. Mona Shaf being marked there by Monica. And Danny, what a lovely backhander by Danny. Once again, players turning around. Ball turned around in favor of Radha TMT. Monica with a belly shot trying to turn the ball around. And it is Danny who picks up the ball. Lovely work there by Danny. She's taken the ball all the way. Clotilde has a chance. Clotilde right in front. And that is goal number 5. Goal number 4. Goal number 4 scored for Radha TMT. The scoreboard. बीच बीच में स्कोरबोर्ड ब्रेक ले लेता है ना, थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है. गोल नंबर 4 was scored by Radha TMT. That was Clotilde Ludov. Or Mona Shaf picks up the ball all by herself. The ball is wide. And that is goal number 6. Divya Shakti now leading 6 goals to 4. Danny. Danny Story strikes. What a beautiful shot by Danny Story. Chance here for Radha TMT once again. They're right in front of the goal. Oh, the ball is still there. Another whistle by the umpire. So what happens when the umpire blows the whistle in a polo match? 2 things happen when the umpire blows the whistle. The game comes to a halt and the clock comes to a halt. ठीक है प्यारे दोस्तों, किसी भी पोलो मैच में आप आएंगे और अंपायर जब विसल साउंड करते हैं तो याद रखिएगा, गेम भी रुक जाती है और घड़ी भी रुक जाती है. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the final bell. With that, we come to the end of the International Ladies Exhibition Polo match. And the scoreboard reading 6 goals to 4 in favor of the winning team, Divya Shakti Eagles. Dear spectators, have a look at how the players greet each other. दोस्तों, आप सभी पोलो मैचेस में देखेंगे कि मैच खत्म होते ही सभी प्लेयर्स एक दूसरे को बधाई देते हैं, क्योंकि सब जानते हैं कि कितनी मेहनत लगती है पोलो फील्ड में आने के लिए. This is the reason why, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of every polo match, the players congratulate each other for their hard work.